Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 22 Chesterwood Road here in Kings Heath. This is a fantastic property located within a much sought after area. And then moving inside, we have a porch which opens into this lovely hallway. Lovely stained glass features. And then we've got the stairs going up to the first floor. So we have two separate reception rooms. There's also ground floor toilet with wash basin. And the first reception room. Which has a lovely large bay window to the front aspect here. Really well presented property throughout. And moving through to the second reception room. This one benefiting from floor to ceiling bay windows, having a superb view across the garden. And next we have the dining area, which has double doors going out into the garden and a large archway opening through to the kitchen area. And we have an integrated double oven, gas hob, extractor. There's also a dishwasher and fridge and separate freezer. There's a further door leading to the side of the property. There's a built-in understairs storage cupboard. And then we have the utility room, which has a further sink unit, space and plumbing for a washing machine, a further fridge. And then we have the door through to the integral garage, where there is a wall-mounted gas boiler. Okay, and then on to the first floor, where we have a split level landing. This provides access to the 4 bedrooms and bathroom and separate toilet. And there we have the loft access just above us as well. So the first bedroom here, which overlooks the rear garden. Really quite a splendid view there to the rear. And through to the next bedroom. Again, really good sized double room. This one having fitted furniture. And again, a bay window, this time to the front aspect. And then here at the front, we have bedroom 4, which actually also benefits from a large walk-in storage cupboard here in the corner. And again, facing towards the front of the house. So still on this side here, we have the bathroom, which is fully tiled with bathroom, bath and corner shower. And then there's a separate toilet here as well. And across we have the third bedroom, benefiting from, again, a good sized built-in storage cupboard. And having a view to the rear as well from here. Okay, and then just stepping outside into the rear garden, we have a really good sized paved patio space here. And some shallow steps down to the main lawned garden section. Lovely large rear garden here, nice mature surroundings as well. And then down to where there is a timber shed in the corner. And then just looking back at the property, and that concludes the online viewing. So if you would like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do give us a call as soon as you can. And we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.